Hi everyone, today we make minestrone soup using the soup maker. If your soup maker has a chopping function, you're gonna use that to chop your onion and garlic. Otherwise, just use a chopping board. I'm using the Ninja Foodi blender. This comes in with an inbuilt chop function, so that's what I'm gonna use to cut up the onion and garlic. But for easier chopping, I'm just gonna make my onions slightly smaller. I'm just using my spatula to push down the onion, and if you like, you can chop them up again to your liking. Add oil to your soup maker, and then we're going to press the saute function and allow the onion and garlic to cook until translucent and fragrant. While the onion is cooking, you can continue prepping the rest of the ingredients. I've got 2 carrots here which I'm going to peel and dice, and I'm also going to dice up the green beans and zucchini. Next, you want to add your diced or pureed tomatoes, tomato paste, and vegetable stock. I'm just using the vegetable stock to rinse my tin. You're not wasting anything here. Start to combine. Green beans. Next goes in the carrots, zucchini, celery stalks. I'm using canned kidney beans which I've just rinsed, salt and pepper. Start to combine. Select the chunky soup setting and cook for 20 minutes. Once the time is up, we're going to add our noodles. And you want to go for small shaped pasta like macaroni or farfalle. And we're going to cook this for 8 to 10 minutes, depending on the instructions that come on the packaging of your noodles. Once the time is up, we're gonna season this with some oregano and red pepper flakes if you prefer, and then you're going to stir it and serve. If you prefer a thinner soup, once cooked, transfer the soup to a pot and then add more vegetable stock or broth to your liking, and just allow this to heat up for a few minutes. And we do this to avoid exceeding the maximum fill line that's normally displayed in the jug of the soup maker. I hope you enjoyed this soup maker minestrone soup recipe. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe, as well as click on the notification buttons below so you get notified each time I upload a new video. I'm glad you stopped by, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.